Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Learn with Art. Now in this video we are going to learn how to create linked list in C programming. We will consider structure that we have already discussed in the last videos of introduction to linked list. Okay, so here I have considered structure named as node, in which we have two variables. One is int data and another variable is pointer variable named as next. Okay, so from this video onwards we will consider this structure as a structure of a node. Okay, so now let's start for the creation of linked list. Okay, so here in the creation process the single node will be created and that will be inserted in the linked list. So the nodes are added in the linked list one by one. Okay, so means here I have written only the function for a node that will add single node in the linked list. If we want to create the whole linked list, then that will call this insert function repeatedly. Suppose we want to have 5 nodes in a linked list, then this insert function will be called for 5 times. Okay, and if we see here in insert, we have parameter that is value that will be added at the time of call of function insert in the main function. Okay, so that parameter will take the value and that will be assigned to the variable value. Okay, so let's start. So first we will assume that we have 0 nodes present in the linked list, means we have a blank list. Okay, so means what? Our head is null. Okay, so struct node star head is equal to null, means we don't have any node present in the linked list. Okay, so again next line is void insert int value, that will be considered as value for the data part of the single node. Okay, so suppose here if I have first I have taken value 5. Okay, then int 5. Okay, value of variable value is 5. Okay, now we will move to the next line, struct node star new node. Okay, so first we will take the new variable of structure, that is nothing but new node, and we will assign memory to this new node by the keyword malloc. Okay, so we want to assign memory of size struct node. Okay, so struct node की जितनी भी size रहेगी that will be assigned to the pointer new node. Okay, and that will be of type struct node star. Okay, so अभी तो हमने एक blank node बना दिया है. Okay, so अभी उसमें हमको क्या करना है, एक एक value add करनी है. Okay, so the name of this node is new node. Okay, so now this 5 value will be added in the data part of this new node. Okay, so how to assign this value to data part? So for that purpose we have used here assignment operator. So the value 5 will be copied from value variable to data part of new node. Okay, this is a single node, that's why we will put null in the pointer field, because we don't know what will be the next node to this node. Okay, so first we will assign null field to the pointer field. Okay, so we have created here blank this node, and that is single node. Okay, and if our linked list is blank, then that will act as a head node. Okay, so up to this line we have created a single node. Now we will move to next line. If head is equal to null. Okay, so first time we have head is equal to null. Okay, so what will be the situation now? We have to make this node as a head node only. Okay, so we will copy the whole node from new node to head node. Okay, so if head is equal to null, so all the value of new node will get copied in the head node, and now this node will act as a head node. Okay, so this will work if head is equal to null. Okay, so this happens for the first time when we are inserting in the blank linked list. Okay, else when we are inserting second node, at that time we have the first node, that is head node. Okay, so whenever we are inserting new node, so at that time we have head node. So what will be the procedure? So we have to traverse the whole linked list. We don't know how many nodes are present in the given linked list. So for that purpose, we have to traverse the linked list from head to the node whose pointer is null. Okay, so we have to traverse up to that point. Okay, so that will come in the else part. Okay, so we have, for traversal purpose, we will take the another node, that is the current node, and I have copied the head node in the current node. Okay, so this will be the temporary node that is used to traverse the linked list. Okay, so I have copied the value of head in the current node. Now current node will move forward until we have next pointer as a null pointer. Okay, so while current tends to next is not equal to now null, we have to update the node current. Okay, so next line is current is equal to current tends to next, means what will happen? So suppose this is my linked list, then first time this will be current node. Okay, now we have to move to next node. So what we have to do? I have to assign the value of current's next, okay, in the current. Okay, so while current tends to next is not equal to null, we will copy the current next, okay, current next into the current. Okay, so current next की वैल्यू क्या है ये, तो वो किस में कॉपी हो जाएगी? करंट में हो जाएगी. तो अभी करंट नोड कौन सा है? So this is now our current node. Okay, so this will go on repeating until we don't get the value of pointer as null pointer. Okay, so this will repeat. Whenever the current node will have the next pointer as null, then this will come out of the loop and current next will get assigned with new node. Okay, so means what? New node will be the next node to the current node. Okay, means we have to add the node at the last. So while traversing, we will come across this node, and this will be the last node because its pointer variable is null. So now the current next will point to new node that is we have created over here. Okay, so that will attach current next to the new node. Okay, so this will create the linked list. Okay, so whenever we want to have the number of elements to get added in the linked list, we have to call insert function repeatedly. You can use for loop for inserting an element in the linked list also. Okay, hope so you have understood how to create linked list and each statement written over here in the code of creation of linked list. For creation of linked list, we have to call the insert function number of times. If you have any queries, then do comment, and if you like my videos, then never forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.